The easy-to-follow, downloadable, and printable recipe can be found in the description and the first comment. First, we want the butter softened, so typically I leave cold butter out at the start of making the cake. Usually takes about 1 to 1.5 hours or so. Whipped cream softened butter with creamy peanut butter and cocoa powder. That's right, I'm proud of this invention. The cocoa powder does an excellent job at taming down the peanut butter intensity. Makes it more gentle and not overpowering. This combination will give any taster a pause to think, wow, it's creamy peanut butter, but there's something else. And it's just insanely delicious. The process is super simple. The written recipe says it all, start to finish in just 3 minutes. But the most important note I have for you is enjoying the bitters. Yes, it's a very crucial step, so don't get it wrong, alright? This frosting especially paired very well with my delicious blue ribbon devil's food cake, which its recipe will be posted very soon, so you definitely want to check it out later. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video and give this recipe a try. Let me know if you have any questions. Help my small channel by doing this. If you may, thanks so much guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.